Almost 12 years in the making, only 7 days of football's finest international offering. World Cup is all set, and it's a huge night.
Gentlemen, please rise if you are able.
Deafening noise, important seats taken everywhere. A 4th World Cup in there. Entire and Ali Moyes Ali. In fact, he scored in 2014, 3 of them, for this tournament, including to come to Qatar in 2000 and Gustavo Alfaro in the other day for the 2022 World Cup. Opinion, the goalkeeper came a long way, didn't get too much on it. It's still bouncing inside the penalty area, and there's the first goal. Headed in by Enner Valencia. Less than 3 minutes into the World Cup finals. The Ecuador captain has the first goal of the tournament. And in doing so, has become the first Ecuadorian to score 4 goals in a World Cup final. Casado. It's the Pinion. Ecuador. It's another one of those direct balls. That's true. It's a low one. Eventually platter for Ecuador. Recovery was from Hassan, but here come Ecuador again. The goalkeeper hesitated. The referee waited and then pointed to the spot. It definitely counts this time. It is Enner Valencia for Ecuador. And the South Americans are in front. And now he does definitely have the most World Cup goals of any Ecuadorian.